Ready?
Alrighty. Bippity boppity boo, fairy godmother wants to see you.
Gimana Kara? Lagi Kara?
Growing as fast as a pumpkin. Now today is going to be a very special day for you. So
Going on
let's get things started with oh dear me. What did I do with that magic wand? Let's see, Oh, of course. Now you know the magic words, don't you, dear? Bippity, boppity, boo. Yes, I think that should be just enough to make your dreams come true. Hurry along, my dear. Your fairy godmother apprentice is waiting for you.
Ano?